To lock apps in the Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, we need to use a third-party app. So let's first open the Play Store. And we want to search for app lock-fingerprint. And we want to get the app lock-fingerprint by SBsoft. This is completely free to download. We will now open up the AppLock app. We won't allow notifications. We will set a master pin and then confirm it. We then see there is a registered fingerprint. So if we tap on yes, we can open up the locked apps with our fingerprint instead of typing the password. We now need to add the apps to lock. So we'll tap on the plus and then we'll select the apps that we want to lock. And then we'll tap the plus again. And then we'll tap on OK for notifications. And so we need to go to usage access. And so we need to look for app lock. And then we need to permit the usage access. And then there's another notification. So we'll tap OK. We then see display of other apps. We'll tap on app lock. And then we will allow the display of apps. We'll tap OK for notifications again. Access to storage. I mean, they're not going to abuse this, but I'm just not going to allow it. So now, if I open up an app which I locked, you can see it wants to log in. We provide the login, then we have access to the application. So it's that simple.